This $10 million engine just exploded in less than 1 second. But why? This isn't just any engine, this is Formula One. F1 engines push physics to the absolute edge. These 1.6-liter hybrids rev up to 15,000 RPM and heat up to over 1,000 degrees Celsius. They're built to last just 7 races or 1,500 kilometers. That's like asking a rocket to run a marathon. But here's the catch. If just one tiny valve fails, the engine is done. In 2020, Valterri Bottas' engine blew in 0.9 seconds from oil system failure. 1 second. That's all it took for a $10 million power unit to become scrap metal. F1 engines are masterpieces on the edge of destruction, built to dominate but always 1 second away from dying. That's the price of chasing perfection at 200 miles per hour.